I don't need these. Stop.
What, are we spending $100 on softball blades?
Maybe more. I don't know. I have this. Might as well. We already spent $100.
Alright, we are on the way to go get a special surprise for the E92, courtesy of Justin and Kyle here.
Maxing out the...
you don't want to look in front of us to the direction we're going, but it's fine. It's all fine. It's all fine. Kyle's hanging backseat captain back here. Yeah, we're going to get some E92 goodies. Whether we make it there or not, we'll let you know in the end of this video. We just dropped like $130, excuse me, Justin did on literally Sawzall blades, so that's fun.
Look how long that one is, though.
Yeah, okay, this one's pretty long. It's pretty long. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's carbide teeth, all that good stuff. It's to cut wood, and we're going to cut metal, so it's really yeah, it's really going to help us with the current job. It's times the lifespan on this bad boy. So anyway, surprises to come. Yeah, stick along for the ride, folks. You're not sure what you got here?
No.
You have an E92 shell. Full E92 shell. What do we have on the top of the E92? I don't.
As you're doing this, someone's gonna message me and be like, "Hey, do you have a clean E92 windshield?"
That was not what I thought.
The day we busted out the back window, someone was like, "Hey, do you have an E92 back windshield I could buy?" I'm like,
Absolutely not.
"You sure don't."
Look at the safety glasses.
What are those, Von Zip? Well, these are Costas. Costas? Yeah, Costas making safety glasses. That's cool.
Yeah, but these are glass.
Do what?
These are actually glasses.
I mean, they're actually glasses. They're glass. The glass is glass? Yep. You're bougie. That's what I was scared about was the airbag part. There's no power, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh yeah, that's true. I just cut the roof off of an S14 also, and like, people were hurt. What do you think about this?
Hurt.
Squint. I can't wait for all these people to get up tonight asking for quarter windows. And...
Nice. Alright, Justin, finish her off.
One more to go. Look, you can see that in there. The round tube
Get a
in there.
shot of that. I can't see. Kinda.
Judson's up, so we're not putting ourselves on the flat.
The two Justins are at it. And Dale. Shout out to Dale. He's a real one.
Sit down in here first.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's still pillars for it to mount up to.
That is perfect.
So we.
This was a real clean E92 M3. Real clean. Like, I mean, it was real clean. Had like 50K on it. Alright guys, well, all this is possible thanks to Justin here at Queen Speed Motorsports in Belmont. If you need anything like wheels, tires, suspension, he has all the stuff here in this warehouse. He also parts out a few cars here and there, you know, just a little bit, like E92 M3s, you know, very rare, but he does get those. Anything you need, just really hit him up. Really cool dude, and he's down to earth. He'll get you anything you need. Cool discount, and it's fun to just hang out and chill with him and his little dog over there named Dale. Shout out to Dale. But yeah, let's do a wrap, guys. Going to eat.